Halofans Green. A cup of tea helps us replenish our morning intake for fasting. Served in several variations, this drink is perfect to accompany your favorite dishes. Likewise, drinking tea after a day of fasting is indeed refreshing when breaking the fast. Interestingly, drinking tea is not just a matter of taste, because tea has many benefits for the body. This time we will get to know more about the types and benefits of drinking tea, especially in the month of Ramadan. A popular type of tea in Indonesia, from black, green to white tea, oolong tea, pu-erh tea and more. There are many types of teas and their creations in the world. Talking about the most famous Indonesian tea leaves, of course, is not much different from black and green tea. Why these two people? Tea has been around for a long time in Indonesia, even since the 17th century. Since then, tea has become one of the most important commodities in the archipelago. Do not be surprised if Indonesia is still one of the largest black tea producers in the world. Meanwhile, green tea, whose trend is growing, is widespread in Indonesia. Both are known to have properties that are good for health, but what differentiates the two is the way they are made, the ingredients, the health benefits. And one thing for sure, the taste. Benefits of drinking Ramadan tea. Next, we will discuss one by one the benefits of drinking tea that we can get. In general, tea is very good for the body, especially during Ramadan. Something? Check it out below. Efficacy of tea infusion with nutritious ingredients. There's nothing new about using nutritious ingredients in salads, soups and other healthy dishes. What is still rarely done is to add spices or other ingredients to drinks such as tea. In general, we are used to drinking tea without adding anything other than sweeteners. Hot or cold. During the fasting month, we tend to enjoy tea combined with various other natural benefits. For example, moringa leaf tea, honey dates. Moringa leaves are known both traditionally and medically as a miracle drug. From the leaves alone, this plant is high in protein, calcium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Moringa leaves also have anti-diabetic components, even some anti-cancer properties. Imagine, that's just some of the many benefits, In this moringa leaf tea, we can use the unique Sari Wangi honey dates tea. The combination of high-quality black tea with dates and honey produces a warm sweet tea. Add moringa leaves so that we can reap various delights from just one cup of drink. 2. Benefits from the side of the medical field. Did you know that black tea and green tea come from the same species of tea plant? As already mentioned, one of the differences is the post-harvest treatment. Simply put, black tea is dried and fermented. At the same time, green tea is roasted or steamed. It's amazing to talk about its health benefits. Green tea is high in flavonoids, which can help maintain heart health, lower bad cholesterol and prevent blood clots. Green tea is also predicted to reduce high blood pressure and triglycerides, and even help protect the body from inflammation and certain cancers. At the same time, consuming this tea according to the various benefits of fasting is also discussed by Chef What today. Fasting supports the body's detoxification process, rejuvenates cells, and also nourishes the body. Based on the information we learned from drinking green tea and black tea before, we can make the benefits for the body more optimal. Method? It's as simple as enjoying hot tea at dawn and breaking your fast. 3. Source of body fluids other than water. We can enjoy the benefits of drinking tea when breaking the fast. Apart from drinking water, a glass of tea itself contains 99% water, and this still helps our body stay hydrated. Then there are the flavonoids and antimicrobial properties in the tea, which help keep the body hydrated. Then there is also the added value of drinking tea. What is it? Tastes good, nice and warm. We should drink hot tea without sweeteners like sugar, especially for diabetics. If you're healthy and still crave something sweet, replace it with something healthier, like honey. Interestingly, we can also experiment with various other ingredients to make delicious tea recipes. For that, Cook What Today has 3 hot tea recipes that you can try. 4. Helps reduce bad breath. Bad breath seems to be an affliction for many people who fast. A long time without eating usually doesn't require you to brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with an antiseptic, so the number of bacteria in your mouth increases and creates a different smell. Even though tea can only be drunk at dawn and breaking the fast, it turns out that the catechins in tea can prevent the growth of bacteria that cause plaque and tooth decay. For those who are fasting, these benefits will be increasingly felt when drinking tea when breaking the fast. Especially when breaking the fast together. Bad breath is reduced, and although it sounds trite, who would have thought hot tea could make us more confident? Those are the 4 benefits of drinking tea that we can get from fasting during Ramadan. It's no wonder that a cup of tea can actually have an effect on our bodies. Interesting to try, right? So, that's a little useful information for those of you who are fasting by consuming tea. I hope this is useful for all of you. Don't forget to help like, subscribe and share. Thank you.